Nessa Sunshine here, and today we are getting into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sunset Eyeshadow Quad. If you want to get this eye look right here, well, first, subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the tutorial. The first shadow we'll go into is Birkin, and I'll be using the Zoeva 134 Luxe Powder Fusion Brush. So I have Birkin on my brush. I have a set base. I'm using very light brush strokes to apply Birkin onto the lid. I'm blending it all over the mobile lid and up above the creases of the lid as well. Taking more of Birkin, I am applying more of Birkin. And I am placing it all over my lid. And I'm going to move in circular motions in the outer corner with the base tip of the brush. Go ahead and do that to the other side. The next shadow we'll go into is Horizon, and I will be using the Zoeva 221 Luxe Soft Crease Brush. I'm placing the base of my brush right into Horizon. To place Horizon onto my lid, I'm going to hold my brush at a slant, look down into my mirror. I'm placing it on the center of the eyelid. Right now it's just on the center of the mobile eyelid. And I'm going to blend it in swiper motions back and forth. And these are very light, gentle swiper motions. I'm taking more of Horizon. And I'm doing the same sort of swiper motions, but with the tip of the brush. And placing it on the outside of the center. I'm going to start to move up, around in the center, taking even more of Horizon. This is a building process. We're building like a little city on our eyelid. So continuing with those light touches and swiper motions, I'm going to start to kind of move all over the lid, in the center mainly, and then moving in the inner corner, not too much. And I'm holding my brush at a slant, and I'm moving continually in swiper motion. As I get to the outer corner, I'm going to take the tip of the base of the brush. I am like moving in a half circle, I guess, over and over again. And I'm rounding out the outer corner. I'm going to blend in the crease, above the crease area, and blend Horizon higher onto really my brow bone area. Don't be afraid to lift the shadow high, but do it gracefully, gently, feathery, and lightly. If you want a deeper, more intense smoky eye, you can continue this process and build it up even more and more and more and more, or you can leave it here and do that to the other side. And now we'll go into Blue Flash, and I will be using the Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease Brush. I'm going to take the tip of my blending brush, so I'm starting at the base of the lid, and I'm moving in swiper motions. You can start in small swiper motions, and then you can get bigger and bigger or wider and wider. I'm taking more with the tip of the brush, staying in the center mainly. I'm going to start to move up toward the crease, above the crease area of the eyelid, and then I'm going to move in the inner corner, not so much in the inner corner, but maybe the second quarter of the eyelid in whole, if you count it as 4 quarters. Using the sides of my brush to gently apply Blue Flash. And then we will blend the outer corner. We won't bring it all the way over, maybe a little bit, and we'll blend in a circle, semicircle, kind of like we did before. I've put more Blue Flash onto my brush, and then I sprayed it, starting at the base of the lashes, and then moving up and up. Now that we have Blue Flash on this eye, go ahead and add it to your other eye. Now I'm actually going to be adding glitter to the top center of this look. You don't have to do this, you can totally skip this step, but this is the glitter adhesive from Anastasia Beverly Hills and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Glitter in Party. Just like I do with the shimmer, adding at the base of the eyelashes, move up to the mobile eyelid above the creases, kind of over. Spray my brush, makes it easier to pick up the glitter. If you've seen the daytime tutorial for this right before I've uploaded this one, it's basically the same thing but with the nighttime. Now I'm going to gently press the blending brush onto the eyelid. I'm going to move in a circle motion in the center, move around the center. If you do add glitter to this look and you have fallout with glitter, tape is the best way to kind of pick it up and remove it. And add the glitter if you are adding the glitter to the other side. I've went ahead and applied mascara, so you can see this is what it looks like with mascara. No face makeup yet, of course, but I am going to apply false lashes. So these are the lashes from Lashylicious, and they are in the style Lustylicious. They look like that but better, basically, because that they're not applied yet. So I'm gonna pop on my lashes, do my whole face. So we're gonna go from this into a miracle moment. And voila, we have a makeup miracle. We'll take Birkin to our lower lash line. And I will be using the Precision Shader Brush from the Nabla White Rose collection. I'm swiping in swiper motions from the outer corner to the center, going back to the outer corner of the lower lash line, to the center, and blending all into that lower lash line. Go ahead and do that to the other side. This is the Maybelline Snapscara. I'm going to apply mascara to my lower lashes. Feel free to add the mascara of your choice. And of course, if you are adding mascara, do that to the other side. For lips, I'm using the Nabla Velvet Line Lip Liner in Romanticized. On top of Romanticized, I am adding the Nabla lipstick in Elusive. And that finishes the look with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sunset Eyeshadow Quad. So if you enjoyed this video, well, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram at nessachicas. And thank you again for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye. Bye now.